everyone, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm sorry if you can hear construction in the background, but it's Sunday and they're working, so I hope it's not too bothersome. Usually I try to do this at night, but I have a lot to do today. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. They will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, but I will have mystery spots open Monday at noon Eastern. So if you've been looking to get a mystery spot, definitely do so this Monday. But the rest of these will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get into them. So first things first, I do have 10 doodles. We are getting into the holiday season. Most of these are reformats this week, and then we do have one new exclusive collection. So the first set of doodles, well actually, the first 5 are Christmas/holiday samplers, and I have them in 5 different colorways. So the first one here is a classic red and green colorway, and then there is a pink and mint, and then this one's a little bit more of like a modern neutral, a blue, and then a pastel rainbow version. So those are the first 5 doodles. And then I have some gifts, some mixing bowls, some hot cocoa, some Santa hats, and then some letters. The next thing that I have for y'all is the next 2 pages for the kit organizers. So this one is February 7th through May 5th of 2022, and then we have June monthly to September 25th of 2022. So those will be available. And then for foil bundles, I do have 4 this week. It is the Luxe foil bundle in gold, silver, hollow, and sparkly hollow. So we also do have this in the shop currently in champagne lights and lavender hollow, but I will be adding all 4 of these to the shop. Oh, and we also do have a mixed metal of gold and silver in the shop as well. So those will be available. And then I have the 3 collections. Like I said, 2 of these are reformats. I have been doing reformat polls on Facebook, and I ask for usually like a specific category like Halloween, Christmas, or anytime or whatever I'm looking for, and y'all vote, and then I whip up the reformats for the highest winners. So let's go through the new kit first. This one has been very anticipated, and this is Bennett's 4th, which is just too much for me. Four-year-old. I have a 4-year-old. 4th birthday party kit, and this year he wanted dinosaurs, which I just thought was such a cute theme idea, very universal. I love the neutral colors. I feel like you could do gold, silver, mixed metal, matte bronze, or you could do like a green or a blue foil. Like there's a really pretty like light blue in the shop, but I am just obsessed with this kit. It is exclusive art, of course, by Kittenish Jess, and I just think it's the perfect kit to celebrate his Dino birthday party. It's just so good, and again, I love the colors. There is a tall box here with the balloons and the ultimate kit, lots of deco. I love these colors. I just feel like any foil you pick, because it's going to be like lighter than the colors, it's really going to pop. So if you plan on picking this up, let me know. If you plan on using silver, gold, whatever you're going to use, let me know. And then the freebie is the different skin tone options for this person here with the t-shirt on. I thought this would be great for marking like older kids, because the fan boxes do have younger kidders in them. So that freebie does come in the mini and the ultimate. So let me go ahead and show y'all the mini first, and then, y'all know the format, and we always have on the listings the different page setups. So you have the full boxes, the deco, the glitter headers, and then this is the mini kit page with all the labels, the bottom washi, and the same kit freebie. So that is Dino Party. Let me show you the extra add-on options. So the first thing here is the 15mm strip if you want to add it on, the label sampler if you want to add it on, and then we also do have fan boxes. You have the tall fashion options, and then the 2 kidders, and all 6 of our normal fam options. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I just think this is such a cute kit, and I cannot wait to use it. And I think Bennett is going to love it. I haven't actually shown him yet, but he always seems to love all of the stickers. The next 2 kits are 2 of the kits that were on the Christmas reformat wish list from y'all, and whenever I finished both of these, I was like, I want to use these. I don't think I ever used Christmas Magic, because the year that it came out, I was supposed to go to Disney for Christmas, and then I didn't, and I haven't been to Disney for Christmas. Have I? I don't think, or maybe I did use this kit. I don't know. I think I might have used both of them. But whenever I was reformatting them, I'm like, but wait, I kind of want to use both of these again. Maybe not this year, or maybe I'll use one this year and one next. But these are my favorite. There is, I think, 2 other kits I'm reformatting, or they're already done. But I think it's 1 or 2 more. I think it's 2. I want to say 2. 2 more coming, but I just released 2 this week since we had Bennett's birthday kit to release as well. So this is Grinch-themed, and this was exclusive art. I don't think last year, but maybe the year before. And I used it for Kirsten's birthday week. I thought it was perfect because Kirsten reminds me of the Grinch in all of the best ways. But I just think it's such a cute color scheme with the pink and the green. And then you got like the silver faux sparkle throughout. I did like recolor some like newer elements. Like this is from Together. This is from a different set. This is from the Printpression collab. There's lots of different things that I recolored, and I thought they looked perfect. Like the cloud planner's new in there, and the scissors, that's from Together as well. The washi tape from the 7-year kit, I believe. But I think it looks all so good together, and I just think it gives it kind of a new life. Like I said, with reformats, I really like to change things up. So if you decide to use the kit again, it kind of gives it like a new vibe, which is cool. So I think this would look really good with silver or sparkly hollow, or if you have like some kind of like, I think I have something coming out in a couple of weeks that's like a silver / hollow sparkle with like stars in it. So that would look really cool with this, I think. Or doing a mixed metal with it, or just doing silver. And then the freebie in this one is a really cute little sampler of some Christmas icons in the colors of the kit, which I just thought was a really cute, like a little cute touch, something different. And then it also does come in a mini kit. And then there is an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is Grinch green. You have the label sampler, and then you also have the fashion add-on. Last but certainly not least is Christmas Magic, which again, I just think is so good. And I feel like, so whenever I do the reformats, I like to just copy the art over. I don't even look at the full boxes until I'm done. And then whenever I'm done, I open up both full boxes and I'm like, wow, the glow up on this one's insane. So let me show you. So here are the full boxes. So you have the 2 different fashion options here. I did recolor this one from Magic Land, and I think it turned out really cute and fit in really nicely, especially with that balloon. But I just love everything about this kit. I think it turned out perfect. It's just one of those timeless classic kits, and I love anything magical, of course. And this is another one. I think you could use silver, gold, mixed metal. You could do hollow. You could do a fun foil. A red would be really pretty with this. You have your extra box there on the bottom washi page, as well as a different skin tone option for this box as the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. So here is the ultimate kit. Then let me show you the add-on options. So you have the 15mm strip. You have the label sampler, and then there is also Doodles if you want to add those on. Y'all love these for Haunted Magic. I feel like a lot of people who didn't even order the kit ordered the Doodles. So you have the tall box here, and then you have the 2 fashion kids. These are actually recolored from Spooky Pumpkin Patch, and I thought they looked really cute, especially the little hat with the Mickey head. I thought that was adorable. Again, in our 6 normal options, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is everything for this week. I'm super excited to be getting into the Merry Magical Holiday season. I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. I have lots of videos coming up. I think this week I actually have 5 videos for y'all. Pretty sure that's this week I'm doing that. And I think 3 of them are plan with me's, and then 1 of them is going to be me going through and showing you my organization for my Halloween and Christmas like character foil situation, which is really fun. It's kind of a little bit of a longer video, but I like it, and I'm excited for y'all to see it. But that's everything for this week. Again, these new releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and mystery spots will be available Monday at noon Eastern. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!